Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to your offline class. In previous class, we have finished the chapter Reproduction in Plants, that is in your NCERT book Science, chapter number 12. Now, today I am going to discuss the question answer of this chapter Reproduction in Plants. So, let's start today's class. First question comes from fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks here. Production of new individual from the vegetative part of parent is called, what will be the answer? That will be vegetative propagation. Okay, so 1A answer will be vegetative propagation. Okay. Second question is, a flower may have either male or female reproductive parts. Such flower is called, that is unisexual flower. The flowers may bear the male reproductive part or female reproductive part, not the both. Okay, in a same flower, when the both reproductive parts are present in a flower, then this flower is called as bisexual flower. Okay, students. Now comes to third number, fill in the blanks, that is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same or another flower of the same kind is known as, it is very easy answer, that is the mode of their pollination. Okay, how they reproduce by this process called pollination, means this process is actually by which this reproduction takes place, by this process called pollination, where the pollen grains from anther, that is transferred to the stigma of the carpel or pistil of the same flower or another flower by this process called pollination. Okay. Now comes to D number question, that is the fusion of male and female gamete is termed as, the term that is known as fertilization. Okay, and the particular fertilization, the particular term when this male gamete and female gamete fuse together, this is known as zygote. Okay. Now comes to E number question, that is seed dispersal takes place by means of dash and dash. There are so many medium, so you can write wind, insects, then and water. Okay, so this will be the answer. I hope you understood this all. Now comes to second number question from your NCERT book, that is, what is the second number question? Describe the different methods of asexual reproduction and give examples. There are so many modes of asexual reproduction that we have already learned. Let's comes to know, and I will make some short notes on those asexual modes of reproduction, different types of asexual mode of reproduction. Just try to follow these. Okay, let's start. 2A not, this is 2 question. Answer you must write like this way, that various methods of asexual reproduction are as follows. Okay, now we can write from A number, just make a short note over it. Vegetative propagation, we start from this vegetative propagation. Now what is vegetative propagation? You have to write in a short form, or you may write it in your way, no problem. In these methods, so in this method In this method, new plants are developed from vegetative parts. You can make a underline over here. Vegetative parts like root, stem, leaf and leaves, root, stem and leaves, okay, of plant, okay. Now example, you can write example of it also, like potato, ginger. You can also write turmeric. No? These all are the examples of vegetative propagation. Now comes to next mode of asexual reproduction. What is this? We have already learned, that will be budding. Budding takes place in? No. Budding takes place in yeast, in hydra. Okay, they are unicellular organisms. Here you can write, in this mode of reproduction, small bulb-like projections coming out from yeast cell, okay, yeast cell, or it will be maybe from others. And you can also write yeast cell is called bud, in bud you can make underline also here, and gradually grows, and get detached from detached from parent body to form new organisms, okay, new organisms. Now example, here you can write example, hydra, okay, hydra is the first example. Then you can write also hydra species and yeast, okay. These are two examples, etc. I hope you understood the two methods that I have described. Now comes to some more method of this asexual reproduction. Next you can write fragmentation, that will be comes under C. Fragmentation, you have already seen how this fragmentation is actually takes place In case of algae, this is a type of asexual reproduction, you know. So here you can write in favorable condition, in favorable means in appropriate condition, in favorable condition, in favorable condition you can write plant body breaks into plant body breaks into two or more fragments, two or more fragments, two or more fragments with which grow into independent plants. You can write like this way, which grow into independent plant. Okay, independent plant. Now example, so many examples are there already in your books, and there is been written Spirogyra.